Hey there, everyone. This is Nick Rabina with WorkAnyPlace app. Our other team members that you'll meet later are Anthony Castellano, Brandon Race, Caleb Olch, and Janki Patel. We're all seniors in computer engineering or computer science. So some of the problems that we solve with our web app are, have you ever needed your weeds to be pulled, but your back just can't handle it and your grandson's out of town? Or did your normal pet sitter cancel on you right as you're going on vacation? Now you're looking for emergency backup. Do you need a quick edging of your flower beds before you have important company come to the house, but you don't want to bother with the expensive long contract of a landscaping company? Nowadays, you either have to know somebody fit enough for this task or do enough research to find a company that fits your budget and schedule. Or are you more of a person who specializes in a certain skill set? Are you looking for quick and easy jobs around your area? Or do you just love making money at the freedom of your own schedule? Well, now the convenience of both is at your fingertips with WorkAnyPlace. We created this web app to meet the needs of people with odd jobs, combined with those who love the flexibility of working on their own time and with the necessary skill sets to work within their own community.
Hi, this is Brandon Race, another one of the group members on the WorkAnyPlace team. For our web app, we used a few different technologies to help bring it all together. The most important and helpful technology we used was Google Firebase, which acted as both our real-time database and our hosting service. Our web app involves lots of data needing to be retained, whether that was user account information, job post information, or conversations between users. So Firebase made it easy to store, manipulate, and retrieve all that data. Firebase also helped us save time because it had built-in templates and processes for things like logging in or sending a reset password email, which we were able to apply to our web app. Angular and Ionic were both frameworks that we used to generate all the pages for our web app, properly route them, and add the content you see while using WorkAnyPlace. As far as the coding, most of the visual content was done in HTML, with SCSS being used for design and overall formatting. Lastly, all the different functions and actions that would happen when you clicked on certain things were done in TypeScript. Most of the features that we implement in our web app that will be demoed for you next fall under three categories: account features, job post features, and messaging features. For account features, users can create accounts, log into accounts, and log out of accounts. They have the option to add a profile picture, otherwise a default is assigned. If they don't remember their password to log in with, it can be reset with a reset password email. Once logged in, users can still change things like their account settings, like their username, password, and email and skill, all within the account settings. As far as job post related features, each user can both post jobs they need people to complete for them or accept other people's posted jobs for jobs they want to complete. You have the ability to delete or edit your posted jobs as well. There's a search bar where you can search for jobs based on name, category, or location. Completing other users' jobs and having the user verify that their job was completed is also a feature. We also added messaging related features, which include the ability to message users to get details about the accepted jobs, along with the ability to rate both the job doer and the poster upon the completion of the job. Now we're going to hand it off to the rest of the team to go through our web app and demo all of these features.
Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm here to demo our app for everybody. It's called WorkAnyPlace. Once you pull to the website, you're going to come up to the login page right here. First thing that you're going to do is create an account. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll create a demo email here. We're going to make sure our password is 6 characters long. Give ourselves a demo username, skill. All right, once we enter in all our details for our account, we're going to be pulled up to this page right here, which is going to ask us to choose our profile picture. If you do not pick a profile picture, it'll be given a default one, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Next, we'll be taken to the welcome page. The welcome page will give you all the information that you need to get started on our app. Basically, go through all of the instructions on how to post jobs, accept jobs, all that kind of stuff. But I will get into showing that now. We'll just skip through that. All right. Once you get into the app, you'll be taken to the Find Jobs page. Find Jobs page is a page where basically all the jobs are posted, and here's where you can search jobs, look for jobs, see your own jobs that you've posted. So we'll scroll through here a little bit. We can see this dog sitting post right here. If you click on it, it'll take it to the jobs detail page, which will basically display all the details of that job. It'll show the user who posted it and their star rating right here. And this will also give you the option to accept a job, which we'll come back to that in a second. But first, let's post a job. So if I came onto this app and I was like, hey, I have a job that I really need somebody to do, I can post that job. So go up to this top right corner, hit the plus. So once I come to the create a job page, here I can add a title for my job. I can say, cut my grass. Say the pay is $20. And here the field needs to be from 1 cent to 10,000. So if I said like a really large number, it's not gonna let me do it. $20. The city needs to be a valid city with a state abbreviation. So say Columbia, South Carolina. It's yard work. And just put a description in here. Hey, please come cut my grass. All right, next we'll come to the post pictures page, which basically will allow you to add pictures to your post. So I'll add a couple pictures here to demonstrate that. Go to my downloads here. We'll add that one. You see it's uploaded here. Go ahead and add another one here. All right. All right, once those have uploaded, I can hit post job. I should be able to scroll down here, right here. So this is my job post that I have posted. I can click on here, scroll through the pictures, see all the information in my account right here. If I try to accept the job, it'll say, hey, like this is your post, you can't accept that job. So I'll come back out here. All right, so now if I'm a user and I'm trying to find jobs, I'll be able to accept the jobs that have been posted that aren't mine. So I'll go ahead and accept the job. So we have this job right here, dog sitting. I'll accept that job, which brings us to our My Jobs page. On the My Jobs page, we'll show your accepted jobs, which this is the job I just accepted right here. And then it'll show your posted jobs. And this is the posted job that I posted a second ago. All right. From here, I can come to the job I've accepted. I can either cancel the job or complete the job. Let's say I can cancel the job, so I'll go ahead and do that. It'll ask, hey, are you sure you want to cancel that? Refresh the page, come back down here, and the job's back on the Find Jobs page. So let's go ahead and accept that again. And once I accept a job, it'll open up a message conversation with the other user. So here, if I go over to the messages tabs, you'll see this new conversation that is opened, and I can go to that conversation. I can send messages like, hey, what do I need to do? And basically carry on a conversation with other people. We'll have a better demonstration of this on the next part of this video. All right, if I go back to the My Jobs page, I can see, the posted jobs page right here. And this basically has the posted job, the job that I posted earlier, and it'll give me the option to either delete it or edit it. Next, we will show the stats page. The stats page is a page where you'll be able to see your, basically like what you've done on the app. So from here, you can see the jobs I've completed, the jobs I've created, the money earned. And if I click on the created jobs, it'll show my posted jobs. So here you can see like the job I posted. It'll show my group and my star rating, which I haven't gotten any ratings yet, so it's 0. And then also I can show the settings here if I want to update any of these fields, I could go ahead and do that. If I wanted to take a 1, 2, 3 off of the end of my name, well, I can do it. So I'll hit update. Once I change that, I'll go ahead and update that. I'll go back around and come back. That's my new name here. Also, if we had other fields like the email, say I want to change this to Gmail, say update. It's first going to prompt me for my password. Okay, and then at that point, it'll update my email. All right. You can see, it's updated there. All right. Next, that's the main core functionalities of our app. We also have this search bar where if you want to search for, let's say, the city or some type of job, say tire. You can search for the different fields of these jobs, help you easier to make it more easy to find a job. Also, you can click up here. This will take you quick to the settings page. And then last, you can be able to log out, which will take you back to login. So you can re-log in, create a new account, or if you forgot your password, you can hit forgot password and reset your password and go through those. Which basically you enter an email here, it'll send you an email and prompt you to update your password. Now I'm gonna pass it off to my other group mates to demo some of the user interactions that will happen on our app.
Hey guys, so what we're going to do now is a quick demonstration of how our app will be used in real life between two users. Me and Jonky are going to be two users. My user is going to be John Pinto. I've already created an account for him. His username is John Pinto. And kind of a background for him is he's a software developer for Microsoft. He lives in Sacramento, California. And he has a dog at home. So the scenario we're going to kind of walk through today is that he needs somebody to walk his dog because he's going to be out of town for a day for a work-related event. So this is as if he just created his account. So he's going to go ahead, he's going to go over to the Find Jobs page or the My Jobs page, because you can create an account from create a job from either one. So we're going to go to create the job. We're just going to say dog walking. And we're going to say it pays $30. And the location is going to be where he lives in Sacramento. And we have to have the state abbreviation, so it's valid. And then the category, we want to make it a relevant category so that people that are interested in these types of jobs can find it easily and accept it. So I'll just call category pets. And for the description, I'll say, I need someone to walk my dog on May 2nd as I will be out of town. So now I'm going to go ahead and go next. And now all we have to do is upload some pictures of the dog. So he's going to go on. I'll put up 2 pictures of the dog that needs to be walked, so people kind of have a heads up of the breed and everything if they care about that. So I'm going to go post a job. And now if we scroll down to the bottom, we have here this dog walking job. So right now it's posted up there. If I go into the My Jobs page, we can see that John Pinto now has his dog walking job posted up there. And right now he's just waiting for somebody to go on and accept his job so that a new conversation can be created and they can figure out the details for how the job's going to be acted out.
Hi, I'm Janki. My persona is Sarah. She's a high school senior and is looking for a job to make some more money. So, and she loves dogs. So I'm gonna go to find jobs and look up pets. This job popped up. So I'm gonna accept it. And now when you go to my jobs page, this job is right here. And if you go to messages and refresh, it should be right here. And I'm gonna send him a message saying, hey, what's the address? Okay. Hi, so I got a message from John saying what the address is and when to go. So when I complete the job, I can go back to my jobs, go to the job and complete the job. It's gonna tell you that this job will be removed and the owner will notify, so I click on yes. So if you go back to the messages, that message has been sent to him. And I just got a notification saying my job is confirmed. And I close that. And the user rating pops up so I can rate the job and save it. Now that we have rated each other, we can close it out. It's gonna go back to, the ratings are gonna go to stats page, and now we can log out or go do more jobs.
Thank you guys for watching our demo video. I hope you have a better understanding of how our platform works and what kind of things you can expect to get out of it if you someday become a user on our platform.